Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. You see that in my phone there is not any indicator. I will add the boom and crash spike detector in this mobile phone. Yes, you understand, I talk about mobile phone. The first time we will install the indicator for catching spikes on mobile phone. You see that this is our mobile phone indicator. I will show you the full process that how we install directly to our MetaTrader 5 in phone without using any laptop or computer, without any VPS. You can use this indicator direct to your mobile phone. Okay, so this is our mobile phone indicator. You just focus. This is the boom and crash mobile phone MT5 indicator spike detector. Okay, we just need to click on our indicator. We don't have to do anything. We just need to click on this our boom and crash spike detector. I will click here. Okay, after click we will see another option that what we have to do for installation. I just click now, and you see that after clicking taking a little load, you see that this is asking MT5 ID number and Deriv login number. Where we find MetaTrader 5 ID number, you just go MT5 and go on setting. After clicking, you just need to click the setting on MT5. Okay guys, we will click on MT5 setting. Then we will see that you see the meta codes ID. This is our MetaTrader 5 ID number. I just click and copy this MetaTrader 5 ID number. Okay, we just need to click on the meta codes ID. You see, use this ID to send message to this device when notify service. You see this, type in here. So we have to click in this option. After clicking option, you just need to copy the MetaTrader 5 ID number. You just go back to the indicator and paste your MT5 ID number. Okay, now you type your Deriv login number. You remember your Deriv login number. Okay, I am typing my login number, Deriv login number. Okay, no need any password, just typing the Deriv login number. Then you have to click in the option, in this option. Okay, we just need to click here. After clicking, we will see the indicator all will be applied on our MetaTrader 5 application mobile phone. Okay, I just click, we have to click here. This is save. Now we are going to back our MetaTrader 5 application. You see the indicator has been installed on our MT5 mobile phone, giving arrow and exit entries. Okay guys, you see, you have to install like that. Okay, now I am adding the another video with this video to show you that how the spike detector work and how we can catch spikes. Okay, I am adding the new video, watch right now. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. I am opening so many positions here. You know that I am using the boom and crash. First time the phone indicator spike detector is giving arrow for downtrend, so the spike will comes. I am opening so many cells with very confidently because I know that the arrow is giving 101% signal for down trend. This is the non-repaint indicator is giving the fixed arrow to catch the spike to giving entry and exit. Guys, I'm waiting for the catch a spike. Here I have opened so many positions. Here you are watching, we hold for catch a spike the live. I will catch a spike. Guys, watch this. You can make money too with this indicator every day. $100 to $200 you can make money every day. Guys, you see that the trades are running here. Let's see what happened. Let's open some more trades and down position. The indicator will give 101% spike. This is my challenge. This is the one indicator is working on phone. I have full information that how to install this indicator in our mobile phone MT5 to using catching spikes. You don't need any laptop or computer or any VPS. This works directly installed in your MT5. This is the first time in 2024 this works in phone, guys. The first indicator I have got here. You will see the amazing spike. As I said, the 101% the market will give a spike, the catch spike, and the indicator is giving exit. So we have to close all trades in our profit, guys. You see the entry and exit, the giving this one of the most indicator signal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Join channel in description.